Welcome food lovers! My name is Joy, and with this channel, I want to share my love for Filipino food with you. I started cooking Filipino recipes when I was 12 years old to help my parents while working around the farm. Into this video, we will make a Filipino afternoon snacks known as bitso-bitso, or also known as bichu-bichu in my traditional language, Ilonggo. I love these snacks because it is crunchy and soft at the same time. Filipinos makes these snacks for special occasion. This recipe should take you 30 minutes of total preparation time. For this recipe, we will need 3 cups of glutinous rice flour, 1 cup of water, salt, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 cup of dark brown sugar, 2 cups of cooking oil. First, start by sieving the flour to eliminate the big lumps. Add salt and baking powder. Mix them well. Then gradually add the water while mixing. Mix well until will combine and dough-like. Add more water if needed, depending on the quality of the flour. Here's the tip. Pour 1 tablespoon of cooking oil on the dough to make it easier to roll them later. Divide the dough into equal pieces. I use 2 tablespoons of dough per pieces. Roll each pieces on a chopping board into equal length. Twist each pieces and seal the end by pressing them together with your finger. Place an 11-inch straight-sided sauté pan on the stove and turn the heat to medium-low. Add the cooking oil. Cook in batches for about 3 minutes. Remove and drain excess oil. Set aside while we make the caramelized sauce. Add brown sugar to a clean sauté pan. Set the heat to low and stir continuously until the mixture starts to caramelize. Dip each pieces into the caramelized sauce until well coated. Place each bichu-bichu on a plate to cool down. Bitso-bitso is perfect when paired with hot coffee or tea. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have found this video helpful. Thank you and enjoy your meal.